In this occasion, I bring you a trick that will help you to keep a fresh aroma in your bath for the whole year, keeping your toilet free of stains and dirt. The best thing is that this recipe is very cheap, so don't miss today's trick and make sure to watch the full video. To start, take a mask and with the help of a scissor, cut one of its sides where the elastic we put in the ears is located. Then, cut one end of the mask, paying attention to do it properly. Then peel off the layers of the mask. The next step is to cut a lemon in half and use half of a lemon, cut into 4 pieces, to add it to the mask. Next, add a tablespoon of baking soda. This trick will keep your toilet clean 24 hours a day. And the best of all, with a pleasant lemon aroma. Take a tablespoon of baking soda and add it next to the lemon. Now, take the elastic you cut before and use it to make a knot, closing the mask with it. It should look like this. We will use the mask in the toilet tank, which will help to keep it clean for longer, and your bathroom remains totally clean throughout the day. And as I mentioned before, it will also provide a pleasant lemon aroma. Remove the lid of the toilet tank and place the mask by hooking it to the water pipe. Let me know in the comments if in your country it is known as a toilet, or sanitary. On the first occasion, it is advisable to unload after waiting at least an hour. Tell me if you already knew this trick, or if you have any other method to keep the toilet clean and the bathroom completely scented. If you made it this far, leave emojis of toilets, so I will know that you saw the full video. And if it is the first time you see one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can be the first to receive our advice.